What's up, investors? It's the Russian dude, and it looks like that the market participants started revising urgently their expectations how many rate cuts will happen in 2025. This is a very important video, so guys, please keep watching. Originally, it was anticipated that there will be a total of 4 rate cuts in 2025. This was only in the beginning of the last quarter of current year. Then, after the most recent rate cut in December, Jerome Powell mentioned that most likely there will be only 2 rate cuts in next year. This alone significantly crashed the market in one day. After this announcement, the S&P 500, for example, lost almost 3% in a single trading day. This was a very big decline. And long story short, yes, at first the stock market participants, they did accept this idea by Jerome Powell. The expectations were that the first rate cut of 0.25% will happen in May, and then another similar rate cut will happen in November. But later, something else happened. Inflation data started coming in. Every single kind of inflation, regular, CPI, PCE, core, all of them were started showing that the inflation is on the rise again. Some of them were even above the most conservative estimations. For this reason, even though there is not yet, at least at the moment of recording this video, the official announcement by the Federal Reserve or Jerome Powell himself, well, the stock market always tries to work ahead, try to work in advance and make these assumptions in advance. And so long story short, right now the market expectation is that there will be a total of maximum only 1 rate cut next year, which shows, definitely it shows that the market, that the economy is going through some very difficult times. The inflation is on the rise, and the only real worst thing you can do here is to continue cutting the rates. This is exactly the problem we've been talking about on this channel for the last couple of videos. And well, looks like that the market right now started to see this as a problem as well. Right now, the expectation that there will be 1 single rate cut, which will happen approximately in March 2025, stands at approximately 48%. So the chances are still, let's say so, almost 50-50, but the market sentiment started shifting significantly towards this position. The expectations of 2 rate cuts, if my memory is correct, were approximately at 86%. Now it was only 1 rate cut to be expected at 50-50. So as you can see, how tables turned in literally a couple of weeks. There is even a 38% probability that there will be no rate cuts at all in 2025, but this still remains uncertain. In the meantime, guys, if you enjoyed today's episode and if you want to follow this story until its end, please subscribe to my channel, like this video. As always, thanks so much for watching. See you tomorrow.